Today I'm going to show you how to go from this to this. So let's get started. So for this one, we're going to have 4 of these frames. I decided to get all the same ones. Clearly this one is different, but that's all I had. We are going to use at least 1 bag of rocks, possibly 2, so I got another bag. We're going to be using 1 of these containers and then some glue. So the first thing that we need to do is remove 2 of the backs, and then these 2 are fine. We'll just glue those together. So right now I'm just going to take this off and then take the back off, so you'll just have this frame, and you'll see that in just a second. So the next thing that we would do is we would stack these 2 like this. Obviously we're going to glue in just a second, and for the next 2 you're just going to stack on top just to make it higher, and then you will fill this spot with the rocks and then place this on top. So right now I'm going to glue this real quick, and then we'll do the next step. A quick little note, everything that we are using today is from Dollar Tree, except for I'm going to be using E6000. I just feel like this works better. They do have this alternate that you could use. This is from Dollar Tree Fix-All Adhesive. I have used it, worked just fine if you saw my video of the sensory texture board. And if you have not, I will leave that in the description box below so you could see me using this. But like I said, I'm going to be using E6000 to glue these together. Alright, so we are going to put this directly on the cat and then pour some rocks on top. Twist the lid, expose your wick, and then light it up.